Step across, step back, twist those hips, isolate those arms. Now don't move the upper back. Inhale, knees up, little toe. Exhale, adjust the leg. Up, toe, heel, stretch it. Now this movement is intermediate to advanced, and you will see it on the Mini Max #2 video, as well as on the Maxi Max series #2 and #3. Before you do this move, at least do primary back stretch or do an ankle roll-up, because you're really working that spinal midsection obliques, and you can pull things out of alignment if you're not warmed up with correct neurokinetic flow. So do your primary back stretch, and for just time right now, I'll do an ankle roll-up so you understand what I'm talking about. Toes forward, knees push out, tuck. Just hang on down, keep that KLT and really outside edge of the foot, elbows forward, rock, 2, side view, 3, 4, tuck palms forward, roll it up, tuck, tuck, KLT, tuck, tuck, KLT, and shoulder roll. That'll help open up and loosen those spine, because to start this movement, you're going to step across like a jazz square, step back but wide, twist the hips to the front. The front knee comes out to the edge. See how my foot, the weight is on the outside edge? Your tendency in the beginning is to have the foot flat into the big toe. Push that out to little toe. Always remember, KLT, knee, little toe. The weight is deep so that you're able to keep that weight on the front. Shoulder roll, arm position, straight out, straight out. You're going to initially lift with just the leg and back. Did you hear my hip crack? You might hear that same at home. So always before you start, just lift, toe, heel, and then you'll have correct alignment. You'll feel your thighs touching. Get the hips as square to the front. Tendency is to let that hip go back. Push it front. Feel the thighs squeezing together. Outside edge, knee, little toe, arms in position. Now, before you start, think to tighten the back muscles. You want the shoulders down. You might tend to, as you're weaker, to crunch up. Push them down, shoulders back, tatas out, arms straight out. This hand by the shoulder, not in front, push it behind. Push back and pull that elbow forward. Then you're activating your triceps. So inhale, exhale. Now just lift the knee, toe, heel behind. Do that again. Lift, toe, heel. Now to think more form, you're going to tuck the fanny, tighten the tummy. Tuck, tighten, feel the difference. You're using your abdominals to tuck, lift, toe, heel, out to the side as much as you can. Let me give you a side view. When coming to the side in the beginning, you may come into the front. Your ideal is to come up behind the shoulder. Up, toe, heel. As wide as you can. Now, just go to your max. Eventually the flexibility will come. The second half is going to be with a punch. But let's do 8 just to get started. Ready, and lift, toe, heel. Don't move that upper back. 3, KLT with that bottom leg all the time. 4, toe, heel. 5, lock that back. Focus. 6, don't move those arms. 7, don't move the back. And 8, hold it there. Second half, switch the arms. Did you see that? Don't move the shoulder. Punch, punch. The tendency is to punch, punch, moving the shoulders. You just want to punch, punch, just the arms, not the shoulders. Repeat the same with the legs. So let's do 8. Punch, 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 toe, heel. Tuck, tighten, punch, toe, heel. Don't move the shoulders. 4 more. 5, toe, heel. 6, KLT, keep that KLT, 7 and 8. Now hold it there. Over, over, over as far as you can. Feel like a pretzel? You sit back for balance and reach with the arm looking at the floor. Get the arm up behind the ear. Now as you come up, instigate it, start it with the fanny. Tuck, 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 tuck. Pull the shoulder down to the center. Tendency, common error, is to sit back and to have that shoulder up. Square it, sit back, tuck, 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 shoulder down center. Now you repeat with a punch in between. Punch, punch. Side for 2, sit for 2, shoulder down for 2, then the front. Again. Punch, punch, don't move the shoulders, side for 2, sit for 2, side for 2, center. Punch, punch, side for 2, sit for 2, side for 2, center. Feel how difficult? Let's put the spine back in alignment. Toes forward, knees out, hang down. Rock gentle 2, feel that lower back release. 6, 7, 8. Tuck, palms forward, roll. 2, 3, 4. Big shoulder roll with the palms extended. Now other side, step across, step back wide. Twist hips to the front till you feel the thighs touch. Knee bent, little toe, arms in position. Actually, we're going the same way. So let's try the other side. Instead of doing the same, step across so that we're not fatigued too much on the one way, and then we'll finish with one final set. So, in position, arm forward to the side, pull elbow, front knee bent, push it out to edge. Just the leg first, warm it up. It might snap, crackle. Now, begin. So up, toe, heel. 2, tuck and tighten tummy. Tuck, tighten tummy. 4, don't move the upper back. 5, keep those shoulders square. 6, you're keeping every back muscle tight. 7, toe heel, keep the bottom knee bent and hold it there. Remember, punch, punch. Don't move the shoulders. Punch, punch. Now ready with the legs. Punch, toe heel. 2, don't move the shoulders. Keep them square. That's 3. 4, as high as you can. 5, bottom knee bent. 6, outside edge of the foot. That's 7. 8, toe heel. Over, over, over. Shoulder down. Sit back, reach behind the ear. Tuck, 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 till the shoulders down and center. Now with the punch. Punch, punch. Side for 2, sit for 2, side for 2, center. Punch, punch. Side for 2, sit for 2, shoulder down. Once more. Punch, punch. Side for 2, sit for 2, side for 2, center. Let's put in alignment, down and rock. 2, 3, 4. Tuck, palms roll it up. 2, 3, 4, shoulder roll. That's the movement. Now when you're on the mini max number 2, you'll notice a variation where I don't split it up as slow between the punches. And then when you get to maxi max number 2, there's another slight variation, and maxi max 3, another variation in speed. But the technique is all there. Primary point is to keep that shoulder down, keep your knee, little toe, tighten and tuck, and just practice. You'll eventually get it, because this is for the points of perfection, so that you just have another basic for a better body, the T-TAPP way.